Hey folks, it's your man Sean back again with another episode for our monthly webcast called Ask AssetIntel, where we bring in one of our team members and have them answer some questions that help you to get to know them better. Well, this month we have got our infrastructure engineer Mayank Gupta with us, and he's going to be answering a few of the questions that might help you understand how he incorporates technology into his personal life and helps us with the amazing products that we have in store for you. But without further ado, let's go ahead and talk to Mayank. Hey guys, we are here with Mayank. Mayank is our infrastructure engineer, as I had mentioned before. Hey Mayank, how's it going?
Very good, Sean. Very good. Thank you for having me.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Mayank, for giving us the time. Mayank has given us the time to shoot this webcast at around 6:30 in the morning. So I'm special thanks to him for that. So Mayank, let's jump into the questions real quick. To start off with, I want to know a little bit about your journey before AssetIntel, or maybe into AssetIntel as well. So maybe how you kind of navigated into engineering. So was engineering something that you kind of inspired for, or was there any place in your career where it clicked and you were like, hey, this is something that I want to do?
Honestly, as a kid, I never thought about it, like when I was a very little kid. But maybe after 5 to 6 years, so when I got 5 to 6 years old, my dad is an engineer, so I was surrounded by very few professions. One of them was engineering because my dad is a civil engineer. So I saw him solving problems, doing maths and all. So I kind of got inspired that, okay, yeah, I think this is fun. Let's do engineering. And when I grew up a little bit more, like maybe 10 to 12 years old, I saw people playing video games on computers. So that's kind of inspired me to get a computer, and just for fun, I just wanted to have it to play video games. But when I got it, I really liked it, and I thought, maybe I could make a career out of it. And I started liking coding and solving problems. So that got me into the trap of engineering, especially computer science, and I really liked it.
Awesome. That sounds great. Yeah, that's amazing. Call of Duty to infrastructure engineering. So that's great. Amazing. You might really like one of those Call of Duty, the initial games where in the World War II setup, where they used to, build bridges to connect to the enemy camps or something.
I played Call of Duty a lot. Yeah, I really, yeah.
Amazing. Awesome. Cool. Next question that we have is about something that really is in relation with your work, but how it comes to your day-to-day life. So for example, obviously you've worked with a lot of large-scale systems and cloud transformations, but any specific lesson from that world which kind of correlates and translates into our day-to-day life or activities?
Yeah, tough question. So one important thing is that correlates in our personal life with our cloud transformation or network engineering is our load balancer. So what load balancer does is distributes the load among the servers, the kind of requests that load balancer is getting, so that everyone gets occupied, every system or every server gets occupied. The same works in our day-to-day life as well. We have to balance our work, balance between our personal and professional life. And if we trim down it further, balancing every task so that we function properly. So load balancer is the one thing, and the other thing is, like, we have failures in our network. We have node failures, we have network failure. So do in our life. We do get sick. We do get some unusual activities. So we have to rebound ourselves, and it correlates with our infrastructure as well.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, I think that's a very mean, I think that's a very relatable lesson on both the aspect that you talked about. So yeah, I think load balancing is kind of like how we balance life on all aspects, not just professional,
Yes.
personal, family, everything. And I think, and of course, the second thing is very important. I think so because obviously, as there are setbacks or bugs in our product, we don't stop working on it. We don't launch our we don't stop from launching our features and stuff like that, right? So I think having setbacks is a part of life, but that doesn't mean life will stop. We always have to move on. That's a great way of looking at things, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is a different one. So let's say if tech disappears from the world tomorrow, what other place or an alternative place or universe shall we find Mayank in?
Yeah, I think you know the answer for this question, and
It's tennis. It's tennis.
I always get a lot of smile on my face and got myself motivated. Yeah, if tech disappears from my life because of the advancement of AI or something happens, whatever, computer is not available, whatever. So maybe I'll be playing, not playing. I'll be opening a tennis academy.
Yes.
And yeah, I'll be opening a tennis academy, small tennis academy. I don't have that kind of money, but maybe small tennis academy, and having maybe a coach, maybe becoming myself coach for little kids, or playing tennis all day, and that would be fun. I'll really look forward to doing such a thing.
Oh, amazing. Anything else apart from tennis, man?
Yeah.
But I knew that. I knew tennis.
The second one might not be a good hobby, but yeah, I would love to be a poker player. A full-time poker player could be. I like doing that. I play poker sometimes, so maybe you'll find myself all day in a casino, probably playing poker.
I'm saying now you know from where the money for the tennis academy will come. That's
yeah.
Yeah. Now you have the revenue source. Amazing. That's great, man. Yeah, sure. That casino thing sounds really nice. Let's think about that. I'll mark it for you. Awesome. All right. This is something that we generally check with all of our guests on the webcast. So, what's something that genuinely inspires you, and well, I mean, like when I say inspire, so it generally inspires you and makes you appreciate about being in AssetIntel. Like, that kind of makes you sit back and say, yes, this is good work. I mean, I'm doing something really well over here, or I'm doing something really amazing over here.
The foremost important thing for me, being at AssetIntel, is their people. Very, very, very smart people here. Very polite, very kind, very helpful. So in short, if I have to choose one word, it will be just the people here. And the second thing, if I have to add on it, is the product that we are building. We are building a very awesome product. We are building America here. Not the physical bridges we are doing, but those bridges are getting transformed through our technology. So we are essentially a building block of America here, and we are building America. So these are the two things, like the people and the product. But that really inspires me, and I'm very happy that I'm a part of AssetIntel family. And every day I get to learn something new, which is really cool.
Amazing. I think I totally resonate what you just mentioned. Over here, people are amazing, starting with Human. I think I've said this a lot, even to Human himself. I mean, he's got a heart of gold. Apart from professional, I've interacted with him on a personal level as well, which really makes me feel that I'm blessed. And I'm using the word blessed. I mean, I'm blessed to be a part of AssetIntel. The team, everybody over here, it's amazing. And
yeah, I think I wanted to add one more point here is like, people are not just being smart. We are so much diverse in terms of geographical location. We are so ethnically diverse, geographically diverse. Like, we have people in the US, like they are not even in the same states. Like everyone is in different state, everyone is in different time zone, so much ethnically diverse, and so does it go for India as well. Like we have our teammates in different parts of the India, like north, south, east, west. So that's another very cool thing.
Yeah, I totally that's a very big point as well. Yes, I think in India we have people from all the four corners, and in the US, as you mentioned, yes, from all time zones, starting from East Coast to West Coast, we have everybody. We have Human and all on the East, and Joe is on the Central, the Texas time zone. I think Shane is on Mountain, and then you guys, you and Ehsan are on the West Coast. We spread across the, I guess so what is that, like in Interstate 66 or something? We are spread across that. Yes, it's amazing. Yeah, that's so cool. And I totally agree, man. Building America is a very nice term you have used. I think I'll steal it from you in my marketing communications, but because we might not be screwing the bolt on the bridge physically, but we enable the inspectors, the supervisors, the infrastructure folks with the technology that helps them do that. And I think we were discussing this before, taking that the patient to that hospital, allowing that ambulance and to have a proper infrastructure to travel upon, the trucks to bring the groceries to the supermarket. I think that's a major thing. Like, enabling public life on a day-to-day basis is something that we are doing along with the DOTs and everybody, the agencies. So yes, I think Building America is a very amazing term that you have used. Thank you.
And you have used a beautiful correlation as well, like on the patient ambulance thing. Like I really like that too.
yeah, definitely. Lastly, to wrap up things over here for this episode, last question that I have for you is any mindset, philosophy, or quote that you live by that has helped you in places to make tougher decisions, or help you maneuver through tough situations, etc., that you may want to throw some light upon.
Sure. I think I really like one quote, is very short and sweet, is when there's a will, there's a way. Mm-hmm. So how tough the situation is, how hard the times are, if you really want something, if you really want to get something done, you have to follow this code in your personal and professional life, and things get aligned on your way. If when you are like visioning through that tunnel, so you'll always find a way, by hook, crook, or by any means, but you will try to solve that problem, and the universe try to align itself to help you solve that problem.
Yeah, I think you are right, man. I think that I live by something called perseverance never fails, which is, I think, direct correlation with the when there's a will, there's a way thing. That's so true. I mean, so for example, I feel that if we really want something, we are truly set upon something, I think even the universe works in our favor to get us that. So I think that's so truly put together from your side. That's an amazing philosophy and a quote to stay by.
Yes, awesome. I agree.
Awesome, cool. So those are generally the questions that we had for you for this episode. This has been an amazing conversation with Mayank. It was so flawless. Mayank, without his morning coffee as well, is up with his game. So thank you so much, Mayank, for giving us the time at 6:30 your morning.
Thank you for doing this really beautiful webcast, and I really enjoyed it. It was so much fun. And you are a beautiful host. You are a very nice host. So
thank you so much. That's been amazing. I think we can get Mayank back once again for some more questions. Even maybe we can plan out our path for how we can use his poker skills to fund the tennis academy. So,
that would be really fun, like having open a casino and having a tennis court inside it, and you and me are playing it. Let people bet on it.
Yes, I think it might. Not promoting it, but it might. So
that's so fun, guys.
Yeah, just for fun, guys. Yes, exactly. Cool. Awesome. This has been amazing. Thank you so much for your time, Mayank. We will see you in another episode.
Thank you, Sean.
Well, guys, that was all for this month's episode for Ask AssetIntel. Well, thank you so much to Mayank for giving us the time at 6:30 in the morning for him without his morning coffee. Thank you so much, Mayank. At the same time, if you guys are looking for an incident management software that helps you plan, monitor, respond, and recover from disasters like floods and earthquakes, please go ahead and check out Emergency X right here. At the same time, please go ahead and check out InspectX right here. That would help you in managing inspections and inventory for your asset infrastructures. Well, stay subscribed to AssetIntel and stay tuned for our further episodes.